Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best photo studio light boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an e-commerce seller, a photographer, or someone looking to elevate their product shots, these light boxes are sure to help. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Zapport Photo Light Box Photography, a compact and feature-rich option designed for small product photography. This light box boasts 120 high-quality LED beads with a high CRI of 95+, ensuring excellent color accuracy and vibrant, natural-looking images. It also features adjustable brightness and 3 lighting modes: white, warm, and soft, giving you the flexibility to create ideal lighting conditions for different product types. With 6 interchangeable PVC backdrops, including white, black, orange, blue, green, and red, you can easily set the tone for your shots. The dual-angle shooting windows allow you to capture your products from both horizontal and vertical perspectives, which is a great feature for showcasing detailed craftsmanship or design elements. In terms of design, the Zapport Lightbox is foldable and easy to set up, making it perfect for on-the-go photographers or those with limited space. Its sturdy construction ensures durability while remaining lightweight at just under 4 pounds. While this lightbox performs well for jewelry, watches, and other small items, its compact size may limit its use for larger or bulkier products. Additionally, while the lighting quality is good, some users might find the brightness options slightly less versatile compared to higher-end models. Overall, this is a great entry-level option for hobbyists, bloggers, and small business owners who need professional-looking photos without breaking the bank. Its portability and ease of use make it a convenient choice, though it may lack the advanced features that professionals might seek. At number 4, we have the Benoison Lightbox Photography, a versatile and user-friendly lightbox that offers excellent value for its price. This 16 by 16 centimeter light box comes equipped with 120 high-brightness LED lights that provide even, soft illumination, eliminating harsh shadows and reflections. The dimming range of 0% to 100% gives you precise control over the lighting intensity, allowing you to capture your subjects in perfect detail. It includes 6 PVC backdrops in various colors: white, black, blue, red, green, and orange, making it easy to create diverse visual themes for your product photography. The multi-angle shooting feature allows users to capture shots from the front or top, offering flexibility for different types of products. The design of the Benoison Lightbox is simple yet effective. It assembles quickly without the need for complex tools and folds flat for easy storage or transport. The build quality, while lightweight, feels durable and well-suited for frequent use. One standout feature is the 3 lighting modes: white light, warm light, and soft light, which cater to various creative needs, making it ideal for photographing jewelry, food, cosmetics, and more. On the downside, its CRI of 80 is slightly lower than professional-grade models, which may impact color accuracy in highly detailed or vibrant shots. Additionally, while it's a great option for small to medium-sized products, it may not accommodate larger items. Overall, the Benoison Lightbox is a fantastic mid-range choice for photographers looking to balance affordability with quality. Its versatility, ease of use, and variety of backdrops make it an excellent option for small business owners and hobbyists alike. At the number 3 spot is the Takerers 32 by 32-inch Photo Studio Lightbox, a large and professional-grade solution for those who need to photograph bigger items or require advanced lighting options. With an impressive size of 32 inches, this lightbox can accommodate a wide range of products, from artwork to potted plants. It features 3 light panels with a total of 210 LED beads, providing ample brightness and minimizing shadows for a clean, polished look. The stepless dimming functionality allows precise control over brightness levels, while the high CRI of 95 ensures true-to-life colors and natural textures. Its internal silver reflective fabric evenly distributes light, avoiding dark corners, and the included diffuser helps reduce harsh reflections, making it ideal for highly reflective items. The design of the Takerers lightbox is robust and thoughtfully engineered. Despite its larger size, it assembles quickly and folds down for portability. The 5 wrinkle-resistant PVC backdrops, white, black, orange, red, and blue, add versatility to your creative projects, and the multi-angle shooting options let you capture products from different perspectives to highlight unique features. While the Takerers lightbox offers advanced functionality, its size and weight may be a drawback for users in smaller spaces, and the setup may be slightly more cumbersome compared to smaller models. Additionally, its premium features come at a higher price point, which may not suit budget-conscious buyers. Ultimately, the Takerers 32 by 32-inch lightbox is a stellar choice for professionals or serious hobbyists who need a studio-quality setup for larger products or complex shoots. Its advanced features, durable build, and high CRI make it a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their photography. At number 2, we have the PULUZ Upgrade Lightbox and Softbox, a high-performance 16 by 16 lightbox designed for professional-grade photography. This model integrates 480 high-quality LED beads with a dimmable range of 1% to 100%, allowing for precise control over brightness. The high CRI of 95+ ensures accurate color reproduction, creating natural and vibrant photos that showcase product details beautifully. One standout feature is the ability to use this lightbox as both a studio and a softbox, making it ideal for products with high reflectivity. The 4 durable PVC backdrops, white, black, orange, and green, enhance creative flexibility, enabling users to tailor the background to suit their products or artistic vision. The PULUZ lightbox features a folding design that assembles in seconds, making it both compact and portable. Its multi-angle shooting capabilities include 3 openings, giving photographers the freedom to capture products from various perspectives. The included carry bag adds to its portability, making it suitable for on-the-go professionals. While this lightbox is packed with advanced features, it caters to both novice and experienced photographers, providing excellent results with minimal effort. On the downside, its higher price point may be prohibitive for beginners. And while the backdrops are sturdy, they offer fewer color options compared to competing models. In conclusion, the PULUZ Upgrade Lightbox and Softbox is a top-tier choice for photographers who demand precision and versatility. Whether you're photographing jewelry, electronics, or other products, this lightbox delivers professional quality results with ease. Taking the number 1 spot is the PULUZ Mini Lightbox, a compact and highly portable solution perfect for small product photography. With a 9-inch size and 20 integrated LED beads, this lightbox provides ample brightness for shooting small items like jewelry, gadgets, and accessories. The high-quality LEDs offer flicker-free illumination, ensuring professional-grade images even with unprofessional equipment. The inclusion of 2 color backdrops, black and white, allows for simple yet effective setups that highlight the product beautifully. The multi-angle shooting design, complete with multiple openings, adds flexibility for photographers looking to capture unique perspectives. What sets the PULUZ Mini Lightbox apart is its incredibly lightweight and foldable design. Weighing just 8.1 ounces, this lightbox assembles in seconds and can be used practically anywhere without taking up much space. Its polypropylene material is durable enough for regular use, though it may not feel as premium as larger models. While it excels in portability and ease of use, its size limits it to small items, making it less versatile for users who need to photograph larger products. Additionally, the basic 2-backdrop setup may not offer the creative range of options provided by other models in this list. Overall, the PULUZ Mini Lightbox is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a simple, efficient, and travel-friendly solution for small product photography. It's ideal for online sellers, hobbyists, or anyone who needs quick, professional-looking shots without the hassle of a bulky setup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.